Technology is evolving at an unprecedented rate, shaping the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. As innovation accelerates, new advancements are pushing the boundaries of what is possible, transforming industries and creating solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. From artificial intelligence to quantum computing, several emerging technologies have the potential to revolutionize industries, redefine human civilization, and significantly impact our daily lives. These technological breakthroughs are not only enhancing efficiency and productivity, but also reshaping economies, healthcare, communication, and even the environment. Here are 20 groundbreaking technologies that will change the world in the coming years, driving us toward a smarter, more connected, and technologically advanced future. Number 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. AI and machine learning continue to advance, enabling machines to perform complex tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous decision-making. AI is expected to revolutionize industries, including healthcare, finance, and education, by improving efficiency and automating routine processes. Number 2. Quantum computing. Quantum computing harnesses the power of quantum mechanics to perform calculations exponentially faster than classical computers. Companies like IBM, Google, and Microsoft are investing heavily in quantum research, which has the potential to revolutionize fields such as cryptography, materials science, and drug discovery. Number 3. 5G and next-generation wireless networks. 5G technology offers ultra-fast internet speeds, low latency, and greater connectivity, paving the way for smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and advanced IoT applications. As 5G networks expand, they will enable seamless communication between devices and enhance digital experiences worldwide. Number 4. Blockchain and decentralized finance, DeFi. Blockchain technology provides secure and transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries. It has given rise to decentralized finance, DeFi, which allows users to access financial services without traditional banks. Blockchain is also being used for supply chain management, digital identities, and voting systems. Number 5. Biotechnology and CRISPR gene editing. Biotechnology advancements, particularly CRISPR gene editing, allow scientists to modify DNA with unprecedented precision. This technology has the potential to eliminate genetic diseases, create disease-resistant crops, and even bring extinct species back to life. Number 6. Internet of Things, IoT, and smart cities. IoT connects everyday objects to the internet, allowing them to collect and share data. From smart homes to entire smart cities, IoT is improving efficiency in energy use, traffic management, and public safety. With billions of devices connected, IoT is transforming the way we interact with technology. Number 7. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. AR and VR technologies are enhancing user experiences in gaming, education, healthcare, and remote work. AR overlays digital information onto the real world, while VR immerses users in fully digital environments. The rise of the metaverse will further integrate these technologies into everyday life. Number 8. Autonomous vehicles and transportation. Self-driving cars, drones, and Hyperloop systems are revolutionizing transportation. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are developing autonomous vehicles that could reduce traffic congestion, increase safety, and lower emissions. Number 9. Renewable energy and sustainable solutions. Advancements in solar, wind, and hydroelectric energy are making renewable power more accessible and affordable. Technologies like energy storage, smart grids, and hydrogen fuel cells are improving sustainability and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Number 10. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. ECI technology allows direct communication between the brain and external devices. Companies like Neuralink are developing brain implants that could help people with disabilities regain movement, control devices with their thoughts, and even enhance human cognition. Number 11. Robotics and automation. The development of advanced robotics is transforming industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. Autonomous robots are being used in warehouses, hospitals, and even homes, improving productivity and efficiency while reducing labor costs. Number 12. Edge computing. Edge computing processes data closer to the source rather than relying on centralized cloud servers. This reduces latency, enhances security, and improves efficiency in applications such as autonomous vehicles, IoT devices, and real-time analytics. Number 13. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology involves manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular levels. It has applications in medicine, electronics, and materials science, including targeted drug delivery, ultra-lightweight materials, and self-healing coatings. Number 14. Space exploration and colonization. Space agencies and private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and NASA are working on missions to explore Mars, establish moon bases, and develop commercial space travel. The future of space exploration includes asteroid mining and the potential colonization of other planets. Number 15. Synthetic biology. Synthetic biology involves designing and engineering new biological parts, systems, and organisms. This technology is being used to create biofuels, lab-grown meat, and even synthetic organs, revolutionizing medicine and food production. Number 16. Personalized medicine. Advancements in genetics and AI are enabling personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. This approach improves the effectiveness of therapies and minimizes side effects, transforming how diseases are diagnosed and treated. Number 17. Holographic displays and quantum communication. Holographic technology is advancing rapidly, with applications in entertainment, communication, and medical imaging. Quantum communication promises ultra-secure data transmission using quantum entanglement, making hacking virtually impossible. Number 18. Wearable technology and biosensors. Wearable devices, such as smartwatches and fitness trackers, are becoming more sophisticated, monitoring vital signs, detecting diseases early, and improving overall health management. Biosensors can even be implanted under the skin for continuous health monitoring. Number 19. Fusion energy. Fusion energy has the potential to provide an almost limitless supply of clean power. Research into nuclear fusion reactors, such as ITER and SPAOC, aims to replicate the sun's energy production process, offering a sustainable solution to the world's growing energy demands. Number 20. Anti-aging and longevity research. Scientists are studying ways to slow down aging and extend human lifespan. From regenerative medicine to anti-aging drugs, breakthroughs in this field could lead to longer, healthier lives and redefine our understanding of aging. Emerging technologies are reshaping our world at an astonishing pace, transforming industries, economies, and daily life in ways previously thought impossible. From AI-driven automation to advancements in space exploration, these innovations promise to solve global challenges, improve quality of life, and push the boundaries of what is possible.